Unboxing time. Alright guys, Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews. Quick video unboxing. You guys already know what's in the box. I'm going to go ahead and just do it anyways, just to get it over with. iPhone XS Max in the building. This is going to be the gold. I was going to pick up the black one, but decided to just try out the gold. It's the newest color. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This one is straight from Best Buy, 64 gigs. You can see right there, 64 gigs. This is the Best Buy version one. I did get it for $80. Go to bestbuy.com. This is the Verizon one, so coming from it's Best Buy, but you do have to activate it on Verizon. Like I said, 80 bucks and walked out the store. Designed by Apple, usual booklets, hello, stickers, and usual stuff, same old stuff they've been doing for years with Apple. We got the SIM2 ejection right there, and here it is right here. This is going to be, once again, wow, that is nice. So definitely happy with the color. This is definitely, it's the newest color, so why not get the newest color? Then we get the usual headphones. We got the charging cable, and we got the little brick, which people are making a big deal because it doesn't have quick charge, and I kind of agree. But this has a 3100 milliamp battery, which should last all day. Let me go ahead and peel these stickers off. Let me put this back real quick. I'm a little excited, guys. You guys can't tell. Yes. So let me go ahead and put these stickers back. Put this back. Move this out to the side. And then we'll jump right into the phone real quick. I'll go ahead and power it on. I believe it's the unlocked iPhone X Max. We're gonna go ahead and check that out with T-Mobile. I believe this is the unlocked version where you can use it on T-Mobile. We're gonna test that out. I do got a SIM for Verizon, but I don't know if I'll use that yet. So yeah, let me go ahead and peel these stickers off, power this bad boy on. Ooh, that's so satisfying. I know people say that all the time, but okay, let's power this bad boy on. I know it's gonna need a SIM. Let's see if we have any power. Here goes the Apple logo. Let me go ahead and end the video here, and I'll make another video where I have it all set up. This is once again the gold iPhone XS Max on deck. This thing is gorgeous. I mean, wow, it's beautiful. So stay tuned for another video where I set it all up, and I'll go ahead and I'll give you guys my honest thoughts on it. And yeah, we'll do that. See you then.